Show you guys how to use YouTube Studio. If you're a content creator, go ahead and download this from the Play Store or the iStore. And once you get into the app, you want to go into the Analytics tab right in the middle here, okay? And at the top, you're going to see a cumulative last 28 days, how much you've done. This is a run rate. So the cumulative, you can see here, it doesn't have a curve on it like some of the other visualizations we'll look at, but you can adjust it to see your overall views over time. You can see something really kicked it up around April, and I know what did that. We're going to go into that here in a second, but you go down to the last 28 days here, and these are cumulative totals as well too, okay, to look into each of your videos. And then down here at the bottom is the real-time view. I use this right after I post a video and then for the next 2 days after. But here in the top content, if you click on it, again, you can adjust to 90-day, 7-day, 28-day, and you can see how well each of these videos did. But if you click on one of them, you can see the run rate, and you can see here in the last couple of weeks, basically something made it kick up right here. And ultimately, maybe they're doing a sell for this saw, and a lot of people are using the video to try to figure out how to unlock it. It's a miter saw, and basically something kicked that up right there. But over time, you can keep an eye on your videos. Also, when you first launch it, you can also keep an eye on it. But here you can tell how long they're actually watching your video. So it's very useful for being able to tell if you need to shorten your video, or maybe start it a little later, or cut it off a little bit sooner. But then the real time down here is great because you can see where they're coming from. So they're coming from external. You probably want to use Google Analytics or some other form of tracking to be able to tell where they're coming from externally if you're using links and stuff like that, which is a whole nother story. We'll get into that another time. But real time, you click on this, you can do the last 48 hours and you can see the run rate, and then the last 60 minutes. And that's right after you launch it. You want to take a look at that. But overall, this is the one that's leading to the most run rate here. You can see that it's my proposal video, which isn't surprising. It did the best, and ultimately they're cutting off most of them within the first 10 seconds, but originally a lot of them were cutting off sooner, so I shortened the video, and it's actually caused a higher retention rate throughout the video. And also I get more viewers because of that, probably because it has a higher quality. There's other engagement scores and stuff like that, but I don't really want to get into that today. So I hope this helps, and just wanted to share with everybody how I use YouTube Studio and how you can use it to reform, revive, or to edit your content and make it better, and maybe refresh it. Or if you just want to improve it as you go and try new things, you can change the title, thumbnails, all kinds of things, and watch it improve over time by watching that run rate, or just refreshing or reviving or republishing a video and removing the old one. So hope this helps, and thank you all for watching.